Kublai pi baro gini gilongi kubor bam tagasngi. Ba Commander Shangpliang President Jungkaseng Nongrep Hill Farmers Union HFU but kumjuru ubade President Jungkaseng ginong film ka Meghalaya Filmmakers Association ulalit ban pinha pradai ka annual school sport meet Jungka School Saint Neo Lighthouse Nai Southwest Castle District. Hagani kasngi le don langru ginong hikai ki kimi pa par kumjuru gi kana school ki bleshim benda ki program bapher la yo ru ega jingran ukong san ba Commander Shangpliang obla ai ministry mi ki kana school bakin treshi tam bakin poisha kathang.
I used to tell to each and every school function, wherever I got a chance to speak to, that all the students, they should have your aim in life. Without your aim in life, without your aim in studies, I know you will not study hard. But whenever you have your aim, your goal in life, you will study hard, and I know you will reach once you focus in your studies. There is a saying, you should aim for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among the stars. That saying means that once you have your goal, once you have your vision, you will not even fail. Why? Because you will still land among the stars, and that still will be a success in your life. Kinong hikai kiba la shimkya namanta ka jinkule namanta jongpi ki kena school sakawai awai ni ong yepi bapidi bandan ye katong ki jingim ki jongpi pidi bandan ye kai jingmu ke ek mafi mut banlong ki jingim ki jongpi